Hi, I'm Susan Kiss, and I'm here at the Knoxville Botanical Garden, and we're going to tackle this large rosemary. We're going to try to prune it. We're going to talk about some special things to remember when you're pruning woody evergreen herbs. Rosemaries are they're evergreen. They can get very large. They can also get very woody and diseased inside. Like most herbs, they like to be trimmed back frequently and very deep. I'm gonna go ahead and talk a little bit about how there's a difference between the woody area, the semi-woody, and the more just recent growth, softwood. If you look down in the center of the rosemary plant, you'll see the real sort of older areas, the real bark-coated, thick areas. These right here, you want to try to minimize a lot of that with frequent pruning. When you prune a rosemary, you want to prune it down to where you see new growth coming out, and you want to take probably this whole bush here will take at least a third of it off totally all the way around, and then I'll go down deep and take some deep cuts. About every third branch I'll take out. This is to create new growth, and this is to create a good airflow through the plant so it won't develop any rot or disease. So I guess we need to remember our 3 Ds. You take all the damaged, the diseased, and the dysfunctional limbs out. So I'm going to go ahead with my pruners and just cut at an angle some of the dead out. And I'm also going to take out some of the height just because it needs to be shaped up, and it will be happier in the long run with a little bit of this height taken out. I always look at it and try to cut above 2 nodes that are coming out. As you can see right here, there's nodes where the new growth is coming out. Here's some more dead and diseased. And I may choose to just take this whole branch out here so that I can have more air circulation. And it looks like we've even got some damage, maybe just to being exposed to cold weather. So I'm going to take that out as well. Rosemaries are hardy to zone 7A probably. Depends on your hybrid of your rosemary. I mean, I think that they're all the time making plants that are more hardy. And I'm going to take this out just because it's coming out in the path. So some of my cuttings are down deep and some of them are more on the periphery to keep the shape. The down deep cuttings are more to take the disease out. The ones on the periphery are more just the shape.